Today we're going to take a box of stuff and turn it into a hands-on activity that you can use for your blended learning studios. Hi everybody, my name is Marcia and today I'm going to talk about how to use ChatGPT to come up with hands-on activities that you can deploy as part of one of your learning studios. This just happened the other day. I was working with a kindergarten teacher and he was talking about all the stuff that the previous teacher left. And he's like, I don't know what to do with it. Do I get rid of it? Do I use it? I don't know what to do. And I said, well, first of all, why don't you go and take a photo of it and then see what ChatGPT has to say? And he's like, what? I'm like, yeah. So I had on my desk this zebra tape. And I'm like, watch, let's do this. So I took a photo of this zebra tape and I said, create a lesson for kindergarten students using the zebra tape that is tied to the standards and it needs to be about 10 minutes in length. And it came up with a whole entire measurement lesson. He's like, you created a lesson within seconds using a photo? That's right. So the next time you're going through your closet and you're like, what can I do tomorrow? I have all of these random supplies. I mean, I have googly eyes, I have stickers, I just have like monster shapes. I mean, this is stuff that I have from my second grade classroom. I just sat the photo. I told it what standard I was looking for. I needed a lesson for how long in length, and I wanted it with collaboration. And it created a graphing activity for me. So no longer do I have to go buy new supplies. No longer do I have to come up with ideas on my own. I can use what I have in my classroom, keep the students engaged, and tie everything to the standards that I'm teaching that day. So snap a photo, tell it what you're looking for, and watch the magic happen.